Hello friends, today we will discuss about buffer components. So buffer components are memory components. It will read the memory, it will read the data from the memory, give to the files or database. And memory also it will store into the memory components. So those we will discuss. We will create the sample job. Yeah, I will go to the job design tab and create the job. So I create the t underscore buffer components. Okay. Yeah. In this, firstly I take the t fixed flow input. I create two columns ID and name. Okay. ID, name. So ID is integer. Okay. And the name is string. That's it. And I will give sample data also here. So the value I give 10. So suppose ABC, the name like this, and we'll give like this in double quotes. We can give double quotes because this is string. So this is the t fixed flow input, and now I will take t buffer output. So buffer output, yeah, t fixed flow input and a buffer output component. I will give this link connection row main. Okay, here sync columns ID and name. It came here. So next t buffer output, t buffer input I will take, and t log row or t file or any table we can give, and here on subjob. Okay, on subjob. Okay, and t buffer output also. Here we have to copy this columns here. Okay, or here also copy selected, and t buffer input, go to the edit schema and paste here. So ID name it came, and we'll give to the log row main log row. So this I can give table format. That's it. So overall, what is happening from the T fixed flow input, the input data is going to the memory component tBufferOutput. It's stored in the memory. So that memory, from that memory, we can write into the T log row or T file or any table we can write from the memory. So for that case, tBufferInput component we can use and we can give to the T log row here. That's it. We can run now this one. We will see the result. Yeah. So here T log row, the result is ID name 10 ABC. So using the T buffer components, we load into the T log row component. So T fixed flow input to the T buffer output. So the data input data stored in the T buffer output or memory component. So from that memory component, we have to capture the data. For that case, T buffer input we used. From this to T log row we connected. So this is the output. Thank you all. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel. Please helpful. Thank you all.